Welcome to Forestry HiTech. Today we will explore the impressive world of modern timber harvesting machines, the durable and powerful steel warriors of the forestry industry. From super precise saws that conquer giant tree trunks, to smart transport systems that overcome all difficult terrains, each machine is a perfect combination of advanced technology and mechanical strength. Let's join the dramatic and inspiring journey, where every operation of these machines will leave you in awe. The VIMEC 870.2 represents the epitome of compactness and efficiency in the forestry industry. With a compact design but still carrying an impressive 5-ton payload, this machine is perfect for transporting logs in narrow forests or difficult-to-access terrain. The 50-horsepower CAT 2.2 engine ensures stable performance, fuel economy without sacrificing power. This is the perfect choice for work in regenerating forests or areas requiring high precision. Made in Sweden, the VIMEC 870.2 is a symbol of ingenuity and sophistication in forestry engineering. A small but mighty machine, worthy of being a powerful assistant in the modern forestry industry. This machine is showing incredible power when harvesting wood in deep forests. With its modern design and flexible gripping system, it easily handles large tree trunks quickly and efficiently. Not only is it powerful, the machine also moves smoothly over steep and rugged terrain, demonstrating the superiority in forestry technology. Each log is transported neatly, optimizing the time and effort of the operator. This is truly a living testament to the progress in the forestry mechanical industry, where every operation is perfect down to the last detail. There's no machine that can beat the TigerCat LX 870D when it comes to harvesting timber in rough terrain. With a powerful 308 horsepower engine and a dedicated track design, this machine easily conquers any steep or rugged forest. The combination of mechanical power and advanced technology helps the LX 870D perform operations quickly, neatly, and accurately. This is truly a formidable steel warrior in the forestry industry. Not only is it powerful, it is also optimized to minimize the impact on the natural environment. Made in Canada, the TigerCat LX 870D is a testament to the limitless creativity of modern forestry machinery. a machine that anyone in the industry would take their hat off to. This worker is performing the sawing job with great skill and professionalism. With precise movements, he ensures that the tree falls in the right direction without causing damage to the surrounding area. In the midst of the snow-capped forest, the worker's high concentration and skillfulness are truly admirable. This is a clear demonstration of the combination of experience and passion in the work. A moment of perseverance in the midst of harsh nature. This wood harvester is doing its job with power and precision in the deep forest space. With its flexible arm and cutting head, it easily handles large tree trunks, turning them into even logs in seconds. Its ability to operate continuously and efficiently on complex terrain is a testament to the remarkable development of forestry technology. Not only does it increase productivity, it also minimizes environmental impact, ensuring a sustainable harvesting process. This is the reliable steel giant in all conditions, bringing optimal efficiency to the modern forestry industry. This worker is demonstrating the utmost skill and experience as he cuts down each tree in difficult terrain. With precise skills and absolute concentration, he ensures that each cut is safe and effective. The work requires not only strength, but also a deep understanding of the surrounding environment and the scientific way of handling trees. This is a living testament to the dedication and professionalism in the forestry industry, where every operation is important for sustainable harvesting. Thank you for joining Forestry HiTech to explore powerful and sophisticated wood harvesting machines. Each precise movement, each explosive power, is a testament to the remarkable development of forestry technology. These mechanical giants not only bring satisfaction to the eyes, but also inspire a passion for unlimited creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to discover more interesting videos. See you again in new journeys full of miracles and inspiration.